Okay, so to remove your head unit or radio, you want to get some sort of pry tool and then put it in between the gap here and then just pry up the side a bit. Once it pops out a little bit, you can then use your hand and grab it and then just pop around the rest of it and then just pull it off like that. So now you've got this little bezel piece off. You then want to take off these 4 screws there, and those are T20, so you want to get your Torx bit and get the T20 and then just take those out. Once you've got those all removed, you can now literally just grab your head unit and pull it out. Just like that. If it was the stock head unit, like the original one as well, it would come out the exact same way. You just undo the 4 bolts or screws and then you just pull it out. So that's it done. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, do all that stuff. Till next time, peace.